Hi, welcome to the Country Sampler Photo Studio. I'm Carolynn Geesaman and I'm going to show you how I put together this really cute display for our winter issue. I want to start by telling you how I began this display. First, I went to my local antique dealer where I found this beautiful secretary at a great price. We had to do a couple little repairs to it, but it was well worth it. I found this emerald chair at a rummage sale for only $5, and I knew right away that it would be great for our winter issue. I love a good thrift shop, rummage sale, auction. I don't care what it is. Whenever it's repurposing or it's finding a bargain, I'm all in. I found these Santa Clauses at a yard sale for only $5. I was so excited and I knew they would be perfect for this display. I seen an adorable idea to make this book Christmas tree on Pinterest. I started with a crock at the bottom to set them on, and then I layered my books by size and put a cute little bow on to country it up. Now I got this typewriter from a friend who gave it to me. It was dirty and grimy and a little bit of soap and water just cleaned it right up, to the point of her asking me if I had painted it. But no, just cleaned it up. What I did was took simple Christmas pics and put it in there with a couple cards, and it's ready to go for the holidays. This picture actually is from my home collection. It just screams country Christmas to me. I put this extra frame around it and hung it with a bow. I wanted to add a little bit more to my thrifted chair, so I took this runner that I already had from home, folded it in half and draped it across the back of the chair. I also added these bells, which I got at a rummage sale for $1. I just think it adds so much. Thanks for joining me on this behind-the-scenes look at Country Sampler. I can't wait to show you what I have in mind for our next issue.